I honestly think Palantir Technologies might be poised to surge soon. And Palantir is currently one of my favorite stocks that I own right now, and for good reason. With their incredibly cutting-edge data mining software that integrates seamlessly into any enterprise's existing systems, Palantir really does make the software of the future. And in my opinion, I see Palantir as an extremely solid choice for investors, not only because of their incredible product, but also given the company's remarkably improved earnings outlook. So relatively speaking, while the stock has been a strong performer lately, I could definitely see this trend continuing, and Palantir's stock might very well be poised to continue growing. You see, the upward trend in estimate revisions for this company reflects the growing optimism of many analysts on its earning prospects, which should get reflected in the stock price. And listen, as someone who rarely pays attention to what analysts think about a stock, in this case, I think the optimism coming from big money and some stock analysts is just another great sign and mirrors that the company has been doing great on their earnings and profitability. After all, some empirical research shows a strong correlation between trends in earnings estimate revisions and near-term stock price movements. However, while short-term movements are fine and all, the reason I'm holding Palantir is because I can easily see this stock moving massively over the next 10 years, and even potentially becoming a blue-chip tech stock along the way. All that said though, I think a lot of people are wondering if it's time to buy Palantir's stock right now, or if it's safer to wait. And to be honest, I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't say for sure. But if I were in the position of wondering what to do, I would approach buying Palantir stock like this. Start slowly adding to your position, instead of just dropping in a bunch of money all at once. Because while I do think it's very possible that Palantir is going to continue to surge in price for the next year, it's basically impossible to calculate all the minor fluctuations in price along the way. Plus, the way I see it, a few dollars in price change isn't going to make a whole lot of difference if you plan on holding the stock years down the line. Bottom line is, Palantir might not be a stock for everyone, but after spending years researching this company and understanding the niche that they're filling in the market, Palantir is definitely the right stock for me. And I think it's truly exciting to think about what this company is going to be able to accomplish in 5, 10 years down the line, as we live in a world that's becoming more and more dependent on data and how to understand and make sense of that precious data. Anyway, that'll wrap up the video for today. A nice and short one with my positive outlook on this company. However, if you want to understand Palantir even further, check out my other videos on Palantir. You can start with this one right here, where I explain why Palantir is ahead of all of their competition and how they're doing it. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.